We have got an out of this world project for you today. See what you did there. We've got a structure of the earth flip book that's really easy to make from paper. Now, if you like this video, then make sure you subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you don't miss out on new content. And keep watching and we'll show you how to make this.
You will need 2 pieces of blue, white, green, red, brown, orange and yellow card, sticky tape, glue, black pen and a needle and thread. Start by taping 2 pieces of blue card together to make an A3 sized piece. Then place a large plate onto the card and measure each side to make sure it is centrally lined up. Draw around the plate, then cut this out. Fold it in half to make sure it lines up, if not you can trim the edges a little. Tape 2 green pieces of card together as before and draw around the blue circle, lining up the centre folds. Look online to find a simple picture of the earth, then sketch the countries onto the circle using pencil. Cut the countries out and position them onto the blue earth. Draw around the top and bottom parts of the world on white card and cut these out, discarding the green bits. Place them onto the world, then glue all the continents in place. For the first layer of the earth structure, the earth's crust, tape 2 pieces of brown card together as before. Draw around the earth on the fold, then cut this out about 5 mm smaller than your outline. Repeat to make a red circle for the mantle, about 5 mm smaller again. Then for the outer core, fold a piece of orange card in half. Draw and cut out a circle that's about 12 cm in diameter. You can use a compass or draw around a small bowl for this. Cut in half along the fold and tape back together. You can just keep it folded, but this way it makes it easier to flip the book. Repeat this step with the yellow card to make a circle that's about 7 cm in diameter for the inner core. Line all the layers of the flipbook up and stitch together along the spine using thread. You could also tape them together for a quicker finish. If you like, you can write the names of the layers onto the planet.
So there we have it, a structure of the earth flipbook. There are tons more ideas for projects that you could do for school over on the Hobbycraft Ideas Hub, so make sure you check them out.